Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to pick up right where we left off last time with better than average. And I just want to make sure you guys are aware that we have videos coming out every day, so make sure you're clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing anything coming out. And always, if you like these videos, make sure you're liking them so I know, so I understand the ones that you are interested in, so I'll make more of those, and if not, I won't focus on the ones that I think that are doing well. So all right, let's just keep going on this. So all right. So now that we have our random grades created, so now let's comment this out because this isn't important. So all right, let's get started on our function. All right, better than average. And we're going to take in class grades, your grades, close this up. All right, if now, one important thing, average. Let's just think about this for a second. Sum class grades divided by len class grades. It's all right. Sum, understandable. Take an item, take a container. I use that word because we'll look at it in just a second. Take the container, add up all the items in it. Sum. Len. If you don't remember len, let's look at len. You can always use your help function. If you're not sure, I use the word container because boom. Len returns the number of items. So average. Remember what average is? Add up all the items, divide by the number of items. Boom. Average. So all right. If, and you can do this and have this, you could go and create other variables and have your average for class, average for grades. If you choose to do that, you can, but if you can just see this in your head, actually let's go ahead and do this. C average equals sum class grades divided by len class grades, your average equals sum. Get that out of the way. Yep. Your grades. So okay. If, and we're testing if you're better than average. So if y average greater than c average, return true, else return false. Cannot type today, my goodness. Okay, so that is that, and let's check this. So better than average, and then we're gonna put in here C grades and Y grades, and then I need one more parentheses, and boom. So okay, returns false, and then we can literally run this over and over and over again because these are randomly generated, and you could have them spit out if you wanted to undo this and just run this over and over and over again, or just print out the average if you wanted to see, oops, Oh, it's already running. And we can just run this over and over and over again. So okay, that is that. And the next video, we're gonna trim this up a little bit. We may leave this here, but we're gonna neaten this up. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button so I can get some good feedback, see where we're going. And my most favorite, make sure you leave in any comments or questions or video requests. I absolutely love those. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.